This is Maggie's first thunderstorm. When it first escalated, she ran tear-ass across the apartment and hid under my bed. I'm not mocking you, a little bit. And now it has slowed down, and that was just from the rain hitting the window and air conditioner. Wow, this is higher than I've ever seen her climb the window. Yeah, there was no thunder yet. And now that's slowed down, and she's chasing the raindrops. Going to the other window. Which is visually less interesting for all of us, but louder. Hi. She's gonna come back over. See how well I know her? This is what happens. Kind of know our next move. I'm not gonna lie, I'm waiting for like a thunderclap because I'm a little bit mean. I think it'd be really funny, but I don't know, we're not gonna get one right now. Those are upstairs neighbors though, sounding thunderous. Right, little one? Right, little girl? Okay, that's my sculpture. And we're done, right? Are we done?
Cutie.
Hello! Hello! Okay, that's my girl. That's my girl. Hi, sweetie.